Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over dates in MySQL and how we can add dates and different formats of dates. Okay, so let's just start off with creating a table. So let's just do create table. I'm just going to name this table 1, and we're going to just pass in a few values. So let's say we do an ID, which is an int, not null, auto increment. Then let's just say we have a we just do, the first one we'll do is a date, okay, and then we pass in the date type, which is date, okay. Then I just also have to pass in, I'm going to do primary key, pass in the value of ID, okay, and this will create a table with two fields of ID and date, okay. So now we can actually insert into here. All right, so we can do insert into table 1, okay, and all we have to specify is date because this is an auto increment, so we don't actually have to specify that. Then we can do values. Now inside the values, whenever we use the date, okay, well, the way that it is formatted is it is the year, the month, and then the day. So this is the way we have to insert our date. Now let's say if this is changed to daytime, okay, so date and then time, so like this, daytime. Well, then we have to specify this with the date, and then a space, and then we have to specify the hour, the minutes, and then the seconds. So this is the way we'll have to specify whenever we insert a record, if this is date time, just like this, okay. Now if it's a timestamp, timestamp will work in the exact same way. So for example, let's say instead of a date, we have something like timestamp. It will work in the exact same way. Years, months, dates, hours, minutes, and then seconds, okay. And the final one that we can also have is year. So if we have year instead of date, well, then all we have to specify whenever we insert a record is the year. So that can be so it can be something like 2000, okay, or we can have something, let's say, like 98. We can have two values as well, okay. But since we have date up here, we need to insert an actual date. All right, so the way that we can do that is, let's say we do 2022 09 and 40 or 13, okay. We can enter that. Now we have inserted that into here, so we can do select all from table 1. Now you can see we have successfully inserted a date into our table. So that's about it for this video on dates. I hope this video was helpful. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.